Welcome to what might be my actual first Robinhood app tutorial. Well, I'm going to go a little bit more into how to actually use the app. So a lot of people have been asking me as I've been sharing a little bit more about the Robinhood app. I think it's just such a great tool to have. I wish I would have been around when I was younger, but you have to be at least 18 to use the app because they have all these regulations that they have to follow when it comes to U.S. law. And so you need to be at least 18 for the Robinhood app, a U.S. citizen. It will be very advantageous to have a U.S. bank account because they'll want you to link to that bank account so you can take money out and put money in. So you'll be getting a free stock when you use the link, and I'm going to show you how to get that free stock, whether or not you've gotten an email or something from me in the past. This is kind of the first step one in order to start using the Robinhood app, in my opinion. I wish I would have gotten the free stock when I first started using the app. I just had to use my own money. But this is available to you guys. What I did to get this rolling was I went into my phone settings and in the control center, and then I added recording my screen on my phone. I added that to the little flip up where you turn on the flashlight. Yeah, it adds it to that space there. So I did that, and this is what I went through, and I'm going to go through that with you guys. So you should see my phone screen here. And so I went and I found my YouTube app, and I went to the search bar up top. I typed in Paul Vazquez, V-A-Z-Q-U-E-Z, Robinhood, and that brought me to some of my videos that I've done regarding Robinhood. And you can click on any one of those. You can go ahead and hit the like button. If you like, you can. Yeah. And then there's a little arrow in the corner. You want to hit that little triangle in the corner there because that brings up the text of the video. And in that text, you're going to find a link that lets you get a free stock. It's also going to take you to the Robinhood app. So you hit on that link. It's going to bring up a new landing page or web page. And there it says, "Hi there. Your free stock from Paul is waiting for you." And then it talks about you have a 100% chance of winning a free stock. You don't need to put any money in to get that free stock. You do need to go through the whole sign-up process of the app, which will require your social security number. You'll get an Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford stock, what have you, in order to sign that up. You have to do that in a 24-hour period from actually clicking on the link. You have to finish the sign-up process, they say, for it to work. So then it's going to bring you into the Robinhood app, or if you don't have the Robinhood app downloaded, which you probably won't at this point, it's actually going to bring you to where you can download the app and then go through the sign-on process through that. So yeah, that's step one to using the Robinhood app, is getting that free stock. So go ahead, and if this video is of any help to you, go ahead and just tickle the like. Tickle, smash, hit on it with your mouse cursor, the little like button, to let me know that you want me to do more of these videos, that it was worth my time to do because it helped you out some. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Good luck.